y'all, look, it's your girl C, y'all. I'm back with another video. Stop what you're doing right now, y'all. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell on your right hand side. That way you'll be notified each and every time your girl OMG posts a brand new video. Y'all, today I'm coming to y'all with some barbecue from Barbecue Life here in Texas, San Antonio, Texas. Whoa. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and say grace, and then I'm going to let y'all know exactly what I have right here in front of me, this goodness. Let's get into the grace real quick. Bow your heads, please. Thanks. Amen. 3 times is a charm. What? Y'all, hope everyone is doing good. Y'all go check out the coldest water bottle. Y'all see her right here. I have fruit punch in her again today. Y'all, I have some Barbecue Life. I got chicken, the chicken quarter or whatever they call it. Y'all, look at that. Oh. Y'all like that zoom? Y'all, and I also have some ribs. Yeah, I hope that they tender this time for real. Is this a rib? I don't even, let me put that right there. Y'all, here go the ribs. It kind of, ooh, it's hot. I think it's falling off the bone. That's what that is. Here go rib, y'all. There it is. Y'all, I'm finna go ahead and start eating. Y'all, I have some green beans right here, and I have some potato salad. And some onions right here because I like, you know, like raw onions, y'all, with my meal. Okay, so I'm probably gonna start with this little rib right here. Y'all see that? Oh, look like it's about to fall. Yeah, it's tender, y'all. Yep. It's tender. I doctored it up, so. Where'd my napkin go? Oh. Y'all, over here to the side, I got some of their barbecue sauce. But yeah, I don't think I like their barbecue sauce. I'm gonna be straight up. Barbecue Life, I love y'all. If they happen to see this, because I will be putting the name in the title. I don't think I really care for their barbecue sauce like that, y'all. Yeah, it's a no for me. Anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna be eating that barbecue sauce. Because honestly, this chicken and this barbecue, the ribs, along with the chicken, y'all, to me, it's seasoned perfectly. It don't need no sauce with it. That's how good Barbecue Life is. But I may be dabbing in and out of this barbecue sauce. Don't come for me in the comments. It don't need no type of sauce, y'all. I promise you. It really doesn't. Y'all, it's real good. Yes, they are. This one got a lot of fat on it. Y'all, I don't like all that fat. Y'all see that? Look, look. This ain't nothing but fat. Sorry. Can't do it, won't do it. I don't like all that fat. I want to get to the meat. I don't want no fat. Tastes like butter. Anyway, how's everyone doing? Talk to me. Got some onions over here to the side, y'all. I love onions. Wait a minute. I love onions, y'all. Y'all, anyway. Y'all finna take this down. Get that out of my way. Y'all, I'm gonna get right into what I plan on talking about with y'all today. Something that happened today to me at work. Wasn't nothing bad, y'all. It was just something I wasn't too aware of. Anyway, y'all, today I was at work and somebody it was a couple that I had, and they had brought to my attention about Dwayne Wade and Gabriel Union's new surrogate baby. And I was doing a little research on her or whatever, because she's allegedly, okay, allegedly, because I am on here, y'all. This is not facts, okay? I'm just going by what I saw on research. Allegedly, Gabrielle Union, was having issues with having a child, getting impregnated or whatever by her husband, D. Wade. Y'all know D. Wade? Dwayne Wade. But anyway, my little couple was telling me, they was like, have you seen Gabrielle Union and Dwayne Wade's baby through their surrogate? I'm like, no. And this may be old, but that baby is so cute. She is adorable. But the husband of the couple that I was with today at work, the husband was like, that baby don't look right. I was like, what do you mean? She's not even fully developed, y'all. I don't even know how old she is. Her name starts with an A, I think. But I'm like, she's not fully developed. He was like, that baby don't look like Gabrielle Union, and she don't look like Dwayne Wade either. Don't you think that's weird? I'm like, man, she's not fully developed. But at the same time, that baby was so cute when I saw her. She had nice eyebrows and like high cheekbones, kind of like Gabrielle Union. I'm like, this man don't know what he's talking about. He just talking. And it had, his wife was just cracking up. Y'all, his wife was just laughing at him, cracking up at him, like, looking at me like, girl, this man right here. But it was funny, we had fun. And we were just chopping it up because I don't keep up with, y'all be surprised. I do not keep up with a lot of these celebrities, y'all. I do not. I really do not. And it's crazy, and I'll be like, feeling some type of way because I don't. Because I have so many people asking me. They be like, well, see, Did you hear about this? Did you hear about so and so on social media? Did you hear about that? I'd be like, no. Cause y'all, I be on YouTube. I be on my game. Or I'm at work. And half the time when I'm at work, sometimes I'll be still sitting and playing on my game. So I don't really be doing my research like that. I need to start. And it may be, this is probably the only time that I'll keep up with politics when it gets close to the election time. I don't even keep up with politics. I hate it. But when it comes to voting and everything and, you know, election coming up, I keep up with that. But other than that, y'all, it's sad. I don't be keeping up with nothing other than YouTube, Call of Duty, and work. No, that's in the wrong category. I only keep up with work. The main thing, work, Call of Duty, and YouTube. Work, YouTube, Call of Duty. That's it. And a couple of movies. But since I started YouTube, y'all, honestly, I'll just be more focused on that. So I don't be knowing about these celebrities and what they got going on and who dating who now. Like, how many of y'all like that? I don't know. That's the way I am. Let me know. Hopefully y'all like my background. This is October. What? Hey, October. Breast cancer. I can't even talk. Breast Cancer Awareness Month, y'all. Y'all can see her right there. Y'all see her? There she is. Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And, you know, I hope everybody's beating it. Tell you that. That's all I got to say. Beat it, because God got you. Okay? Okay. Y'all, it's real good. I ain't even touched the chicken yet, y'all. Ring bang. What? Everything tastes like butter. Oh, I didn't get no thumbnail. Ah! Y'all, let me get a thumbnail. Oh, y'all, excuse me. Thumbnail. Okay. So anyway, y'all talk to me. Y'all, not gonna be no long video. But anyway, yeah. The conversation that started off at work between that couple that I had is because the wife was like, she turned around and called my name, y'all, my whole government name. She called my name and I kind of turned around real quick. I was like, huh? Are you talking to me? She was like, I'm trying to tell my husband that even though you have a surrogate, you can use that other man's, your spouse or your husband, your boyfriend, whoever, and you decide to use a surrogate, you can use their, I'll put it in here. I know some kids watch my video. You can use. So I'm like, yeah. So that's how the whole conversation started. Because her husband was literally sitting up there thinking, no, that ain't the way that's done. You can tell he was old school. No, you don't do it like that. That's not the way it's done. Yeah, we was just cracking up. We just had a good time earlier today. It was so funny. It was so funny. So, In this case, Gabriel Union and Dwayne Wade. Gabriel Union were having a little bit of issue. They, as a couple, decided, okay, let's use a surrogate. And Gabriel Union and her husband, Dwayne Wade, let's use Dwayne Wade to impregnate this person. Boom. Got a baby together. Or I think. Yeah. Something like that. But she's cute, y'all. She really is. That's the only story time I got today, y'all. Y'all, it's getting cold out here in Texas. You hear me? We had a whole cold front. Y'all, we had a whole cold front. And it's still moving in. I don't even know how colder it's going to get, but it's definitely going to get colder. Y'all let me know where y'all at. If it's cold, if it's warm, y'all let me know. I would really like to know. Cause it ain't playing out here. Out here in the tone, it's not playing. And it feels good, y'all. I ain't complaining. It feels good to me. It really does. I've always been that type that like cold weather, kind of, sort of. I like slapping on my hoodies, slapping on a hat, slapping on a beanie, and just go. Going with the wind, fabulous. Just go. Now, let me get a piece of this chicken, y'all. I'm sorry, I didn't get any of this chicken. No. Just the leg, y'all. I don't like all that extra skin. Nope. Not for me. Thanks. Have a nice day. That should have been my name. Thanks. Have a nice day. Let's eat. This chicken. Ain't nothing like no barbecue chicken. I don't care what nobody say. Ain't nothing like barbecue chicken. Y'all, it's my neighbors. Y'all hear anything? Disregard it. Ooh-wee, y'all. I had to go get I had to get me some more seasoning, y'all. I have to have seasoning, y'all. Like a lot of seasoning. Like a lot. A lot. For real. It's not even funny. Y'all, it's so windy outside too. It's windy. I want onion. All my onion lovers, here you go. Piece of chicken. Woo! That fruit punch is the spot. Excuse me. What's your problem?
Just relaxing.
Woo! Y'all. Y'all, I'm finna get ready to end this video. Just want to let y'all know. Don't want to eat this. Per last video, if y'all watch it. I'm still finna eat this. Don't get it twisted. Y'all. Make sure, please, if you could, right now, stop what you're doing. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video out to anyone and everyone and let them know what your girl OMG is doing over here on this channel. You gotta hit that bell. It's right over there on your right hand side. That way you'll be notified each and every time I post a brand new video. When you hit that bell, make sure you put your notifications to all. When you put your notifications to all, you'll be notified each and every time. Hello? You gotta put your notifications to all. Huh? I ain't hear you. Huh? Oh, okay. Put your notifications to all. Y'all, stay safe, stay blessed, and please, please, remember to always stay faithful. It's your girl. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.